Hey there, do you have a recipe that's calling for cake flour, but you don't have any on hand? Well, it's super easy to make at home, and you probably have these two ingredients, cornstarch and all-purpose flour. And as far as tools go, you just need one measuring cup and 1 tablespoon, one mixing bowl, and something to stir that up with. So to start, grab your mixing bowl, and you are going to want to add 1 cup of flour to the mixing bowl. Now that you've added your flour, go ahead and take your tablespoon and subtract 2 tablespoons of flour from the bowl. Next up is cornstarch. Take your tablespoon and add in 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Lastly, you want to stir this together, so either grab a whisk or a spoon or whatever you have on hand and mix this around so that it's fully integrated. You can use this cake flour right away if you want, or just go ahead and store it for another time. And this recipe, can easily be doubled, tripled, quadrupled. However, the quantity of cake flour you need, you would just use this base recipe that I just shared with you. I'm putting this flour away into a plastic bag for another time. And usually once I put it in my plastic bag, I'll give it a good shake up just to make sure it's fully mixed together. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and I'll answer them.